Hi everyone, I am here with the owner of V1 Moto, one of our title sponsors for this weekend. So tell me, how does it feel to be sponsoring CMRA this weekend at COTA?
Well, I mean, I'm just so proud to be here. Thank you for the opportunity. I think it was it's very good to be part of the this new race at CMRA at COTA. We're very excited to be part of the sponsors. I know it's one of those things that is maybe be one of the lifetime opportunities. So we're pretty happy to be here and representative the Ducati V1 Moto and be part of everybody.
Awesome. So how does it feel to have the first ever club race at a worldwide known track?
Well, actually, it feels pretty good. I mean, I never thought this would ever happen here. And when I see the opportunity that we could be one of the title sponsors, I definitely say okay, I want to be part of it. I raced CMRA for so many years, so I want to support the club, and I want to support everybody that is going to come out. And obviously, being part of the sponsors is just a pleasure for me. So.
Awesome. So on behalf of all the racers, thank you so much for making this possible for us.
Absolutely. I'm so excited. And, I think that, people are going to go out there, have fun, and they're going to go fast. And I'm excited to be part of it. And hopefully everybody gets the purse money and, go fast.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right.
Awesome.